Geofabrics, we manufacture specialist products for coastal protection and fluvial erosion control. Our products are installed within revetments, breakwaters, seawalls and other structures where two-way water movement is required whilst delivering separation and filtration. These structures are often integral to protecting our coastline and delivering flood risk management strategies. We have developed relationships with consultants and specialist marine contractors across the globe. From our home here in Leeds, we have recently supplied projects in Madagascar, Nigeria, Malta, Greece, Italy, the USA, Caribbean, the Middle East and South America. We supply projects throughout the year, and while seasonality and location play their part in governing our workflow, COVID lockdowns have given rise to an unexpected demand. Some popular tourist destinations seeing their beaches closed during the dry season. This provided us with a window of safe installation for coastal protection measures without jeopardising tourism revenue or facing unfavourable weather conditions on site. Our website provides 24/7 easy access for clients, engineers, designers and contractors. From design and installation guidance to certificates of conformity and declarations of performance, we have a vast resource available to assist you. We have a menu of standard CPD presentations that are available for delivery at a time to suit you. For anyone wanting support on a particular project, or if you have any questions, we'd love to speak with you.